development of new businesses and the jobs and socio-economic benefits which follow is a priority in South Africa. That's why the AIDCEC in the Eastern Cape, a state-owned company, prioritizes enterprise development, one of our 3 key focus areas, the others being supplier development and organizational prosperity. The combination of our industry-leading evaluation tools, business development support methodologies, and world-class technical manufacturing acumen sets us apart from other role players in the area of manufacturing-related enterprise development. A 15-year track record in supplier development and our expansive team of in-house experts in disciplines like world-class manufacturing, QMS, compliance and marketing enable us to provide the practical, turnkey service needed to successfully develop and/or grow and integrate SMEs into established procurement processes and supply chain systems, moving them from the informal to the formal sector. Our Business Entity Development Program is a leading light, and results show how our incubation model, supported by our network partners, is results-driven, tangible, and making a real difference where others struggle. The Mdantsane Buffalo City Automotive Aftermarket Incubator is a case in point. In an area where unemployment is at 66%, we have established 9 new businesses with an asset value of 2.1 million rand and a wage bill of 217,000 rand. Between them, the new businesses at the end of 2017 earned a turnover of 7.2 million rand for the year. This project has created permanent employment for 71 people, with an additional 300 members of the community supported. Moving barriers to entry like finance, property, equipment, skills, governance and compliance, market access, training and administration, and providing ongoing mentorship has transformed a derelict part of one of the country's most impoverished centres into a well-functioning commercial hub. Here, entrepreneurs run new businesses in tyres, batteries and windscreen, mechanical repair, electrical works, leather manufacturing, switchgear and DB boards, satellite and cable TV installation, paint manufacture and catering.